Guys, look at this! Nag-crave si Tito Wena all of a sudden ng salad, mixed salad. Ayan, so parang nasa Robinson lang tayo, no? Sa salad bar. O, di ba nakakagawa tayo? Look at that. At syempre, ang dressing na ginawa natin ay made of mayonnaise, olive oil, and pepper. At syempre, ayan, ground black pepper. Pinaghalo-halo lang natin yan. The results, look at the dressing. Para ka ng may Caesar salad. At syempre, mixed fruit salad yan. Yummy! Ooh! Bit nyo rin ba ang ganitong salad? So join me. Let's eat!